Hello, good day, guys. This is your DIY assistant. In today's very video edition here, I'm gonna be teaching you one of the most sorted out information on the internet. In this very new age, there are apps which a lot of you guys are subscribing to, and unsubscribing or canceling your subscription is often like a hidden secret, a hidden knowledge from the public. You know the reason why? Because they don't want you to cancel out your subscription, so they keep sucking on you. I've been there before and it's not funny. So I did actually later figure it out. I watched countless of videos that never solved the problem. So in this very comprehensive guide, I'm gonna be giving you 2 ways to get this done. Are you ready? Now, let's go.
Hello guys, you're probably watching this very video because you want to cancel some subscription. It could be any sort of subscription. So long as you're using Android, this is basically for you. And if you're using iOS, then skip this very video because it's not for you guys. Now, with that said, let's get into the nitty-gritty. It can be a bit of hell trying to cancel out any subscription. Now, the reason why I started to make this very video here is because of Invideo. A lot of you guys who want one out and you don't really know the way out. The first place I would want to go through is not the app. If I were you, the app will not give you the straight edge to quickly unsubscribe. Why? Because they want you in their system, so you keep paying. However, there is a mediator between you and them at the time which you made a subscription, and that mediator will be holding the answer to solving the mystery of your problem. So, and this is your mediator. So you want to find the right account that you did the subscription you were paying from. The specific Google account is very important, because if you can be able to trace it, you're pretty much going to be running a rat race. So the internet is quite very slow. It's supposed to finish loading by now. However, this picture here tells me exactly which of my account which I use in doing this very registration. So we go to payment and subscription. Okay, we go for subscriptions. Now you guys can see it right there. So I just cancelled my Filmora HD because the service is quite terrible. I more than 3 months now I'm not using it, and the payment keep sucking me, so I just have to cancel it. And I just figured it out today, so I decided I want to teach you guys. Now, the only 2 subscription which is currently on the account which I show right now is my Invideo and my Truecaller. So you guys can see it reading, those are active. But this one right now, you can see it with the red button right there, should cancel. Now, how do you cancel this other one? So you can just type on it, right? And we can hit cancel subscription from here. Now, it gives you option. Whichever one you want to choose is entirely up to you. I don't use the service anymore. Technical service, cost related reasons, I found better app. Whichever one you choose, you can now hit continue. If I hit continue right now, it will boom, shut off the subscription from the Truecaller, but I'm still enjoying the Truecaller feature which I paid for. So I'm only just giving you guys a very simple procedure to be able to cancel out your automatic subscription that is sucking you dry. So now I want to show you guys the second method. And the second method is, if suppose you didn't catch what I did here, so let me go back so you see how it all started. It started from a simple account. You click on it. You can watch the video all over again. Yes, you can watch it all over again. Now let me show you the second method. The second method is through the receipt which Google shares with you after you did the subscription. For here right now, this is the receipt they sent to me. Thank you. That was just a moment ago when this app automatically made a subscription on my behalf. So you can see the amount right there. And so for this one here, to cancel it is also simple. You go over here and hit manage subscription. It's going to take you through the web browser. You hit OK, and there you go. You can see the 3 active subscription, which you can see right now. The Femora I showed you guys previously, that I canceled it. So if you want to resubscribe, you can also resubscribe. The very good thing about this very tutorial which I'm teaching you guys here is, at least by now, you can be able to manage your subscriptions. Whichever one which you don't like, that is really sucking life out of you, you can go ahead and cancel the subscription. So the same way I showed you guys out there, that's how this one is. So let me go ahead and hit manage from here so that you guys can see a different interface. You can see, so I can decide to, there is update the payment. You can decide to change the card. If you don't want to get billed on the same card, you go over here to click update. And to set up a backup payment, you can set on that one up. But if you want to cancel it, you can go ahead and hit cancel subscription. And it gives you exactly the same option which I showed you previous ago. However, there is no back button there is only continue button. So I can say I have found a better app and click continue, and boom, that's it. Alright, so I don't want to cancel it right now because I have my active subscription we just renewed today, about some few days ago. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'm your DIY assistant. If you have any further problem, drop it in the comment section, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. Bye for now. And don't want to cancel it so we can go back. So guys, that's pretty much it.